Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect crochet panels. We'll explore several effective methods to join your crocheted pieces, ensuring a beautiful and professional finish. Whether you prefer an invisible seam or a decorative one, understanding these techniques will elevate your projects. We'll cover options suitable for different yarn types and project requirements, helping you achieve strong, neat connections every time. For a truly seamless look, the mattress stitch is an excellent choice, especially for garments. It works by weaving through the horizontal bars of each stitch, pulling the panels together without a visible ridge. Another great option is joining with slip stitches, which creates a very flat and flexible seam. Alternatively, a whip stitch through the back loops can also offer a discreet and strong connection. If you want your seams to be a design element, consider decorative joining methods. A single crochet join creates a prominent, sturdy ridge that can add structure and visual interest. The flat braid join, often used for granny squares, produces a lovely, textured edge that stands out. For a more delicate touch, lace joins incorporate openwork patterns, perfect for lightweight projects like shawls or blankets. To ensure the best results, always block your crochet panels before joining. This helps them lay flat and evenly. Use a yarn needle to weave in all your ends securely, preventing unraveling. It's also a good idea to practice different joining techniques on small swatches. This allows you to see how each method looks and feels with your specific yarn and hook, ensuring a perfect finish for your main project.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.